Hi, my name is.
Yeah, nobody remembers that guy. Every single day, somewhere in the world, a guy opens his mouth to order a coffee, and the barista checks if his mom is picking it up for him. That's not a joke. That's a Tuesday for a lot of guys with high, thin voices. And look, your voice isn't just sound. It's the first handshake you give someone before you even shake their hand. It's in job interviews, first dates. That moment you walk into a room and someone decides in about 2 seconds whether you're the guy in charge or the guy taking notes. So here's my promise to you. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to give you 3 techniques. The exact ones voice coaches charge $200 an hour for. That will make your voice deeper, richer, and more commanding. Starting today, no surgery, no gimmicks, no swallowing raw eggs like some 1950s radio myth. Let's drop this thing down a few octaves. Part 1. Breathe from your belly. Quick question. When you talk right now, where does the air come from? If you just felt your shoulders rise a little, we've found problem number 1. This is called chest breathing. It's fast, it's shallow, and it is the reason your voice sounds like it's apologizing for existing. Your chest is a cramped little room. Your voice, when it comes from up here, is thin, strained, and I'll be honest with you, a little bit nervous even when you're not. Now watch this. Belly breathing. The diaphragm, this big dome-shaped muscle under your lungs, drops down, your stomach pushes out, and suddenly you've got a whole cathedral of air to work with instead of a closet. Singers know this. Actors know this. Every single person you've ever heard with a voice that made a room go quiet, they were breathing from here. Try this right now, seriously. Pause the video if you have to. 1 hand on your chest, 1 on your belly. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Only the belly hand should move. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 counts, saying, ha. Feels a little silly, right? Good. Most things that actually work feel a little silly at first. Do this for 2 minutes a day and your baseline voice starts sitting lower without you even trying. Part 2. Speak from your chest. Okay, breath is the fuel. Now let's talk about the engine. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Your voice doesn't actually start in your throat. It resonates, it bounces around in different chambers of your body. And most people, especially when they're anxious or trying to be heard, push all that sound up into their nose and throat. That's this guy. Nasal, thin. Sounds like he's talking through a kazoo at a funeral. What you want is chest resonance. You want the sound to drop down and vibrate in your chest cavity, like a cello instead of a tin whistle. Try this. Put your hand flat on your chest. Now hum, low, comfortable, nothing forced, and say, like someone just told you something mildly interesting. Feel that buzz under your hand? That's chest resonance. That's the sound you're chasing. And here's the truth nobody puts in these videos. This isn't about faking a voice that isn't yours. It's about stopping the fake voice, the tight, anxious, shrunk down version you use when you're nervous, and finding the one that was actually always there, underneath all that tension. Your deep voice isn't a costume, it's a release. Part 3. Slow down, last technique. And it might be the most important one because it's free, it's instant, and almost nobody does it. Slow down. Watch. I'm going to say the same sentence twice. Hey, thanks so much for coming. I really appreciate it. Let's get started. Hey, thanks for coming. I really appreciate it. Which one of those guys is running the meeting? Exactly. Speed is anxiety's favorite disguise. When we talk fast, our pitch naturally climbs, our breath gets shallow. Everything we just fixed in the last 2 sections, undone, in about 4 seconds. So here's the rule. After every sentence, count 1 silent beat before the next one. 1, 2, let it sit. Let people catch up to you instead of you racing to catch up to yourself. Fun fact. This is also coincidentally how every intimidating movie villain and every Fortune 500 CEO talks. Coincidence? I don't think so. That's it. Breathe low, speak from your chest, slow down. Subscribe for the next video on killing vocal fry. Now go say your name like you mean it.